Next, sum of odd digits. Wipro 2022. An e-commerce company plans. Input format is input consists of an integer value. Output is total bill amount. Actually, input is 2514795. Output is 27. Why it is 27 means sum of odd digits. What are the odd digits in the given number? 5, 1, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 5, 27. Odd digits are add. First, I can retrieve the digits. Simple logic. First, write the program using Python. First, I want to read a number. N equals to int of input of. After that, how to retrieve the digits? While n greater than 0. D equals to n modulus 10. N equals to n by 10. Okay. Sum of digits s equal to 0. That means s equals to s plus d. That means it adds all digits. But what any digits add cheyamanada manaku odd digits add cheyamanada only odd digits add cheyamanada. Then how to decide this is odd digit or not means if d modulus 2 not equal to 0 or double equals to 1. Then s equal to s plus d. Sorry, not d. S is out. Okay, 100% it is working. This one is working. Okay. Simple. First you can retrieve the digit. After that, that digit is odd digit or not. If it is odd digit, you can add the sum. Otherwise, skip the digit.